Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to activate Autosave in Excel. Open the Excel file after this. From the File menu, click on Options. Now you must go to the Save section. There, confirm that the line Save Auto Recover Information Every is checked. Finally, define how many minutes this process will be performed. Click on OK to save this change. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.